what the heck of a season Montego Bay United has been having in the Jamaica Premier League. The level of consistency Montego Bay United is showing, being top of the league for almost the entire season. Again, we could make the case that if this was a genuine league format, Mobe would be in pole position to win the league. But you know the story. Montego Bay United and all the other clubs will have to recalibrate for the playoffs. Of course, the danger with this format is that a club might be displaying their best form and playing their best football too early in the season, and that some other team in the league will finish in 5th or 6th position, squeeze into the playoffs, hit some form, gather some momentum, proceed to win the grand finale, and run off into the sunset to play Caribbean and CONCACAF football next season. I mean, we hope it doesn't happen, because really and truly, Montego Bay United would not deserve it. Don't.